Our pumpkin spice bakery emulsion is a flavoring that you can add to your cake batter, your cookie dough, frosting, and even fondant, and it instantly transforms them into pumpkin spice heaven. The smell and flavor of this emulsion instantly reminds me of fall. It's like pumpkin pie in a bottle. And you're probably wondering, what's the difference between an emulsion and an extract? Unlike extracts that are primarily alcohol-based, emulsions have a gel-like consistency that encapsulates the flavor so they don't bake out. So this pumpkin spice flavoring emulsion will add a rich fall spice flavor that will stay robust even after baking. And it's super easy to add pumpkin spice flavoring to any of your recipes because you just replace the amount of extract in your recipe with the same amount of emulsion. It's important to take note that this emulsion should not be used in chocolate. It's not for candy making. But don't worry, you can give your chocolate that delicious pumpkin spice flavoring using our pumpkin Loran flavoring oil. Our flavorings make it easy for you to add that delicious pumpkin flavor to all of your recipes. And don't forget, if you're making pumpkin treats, you might want to add some pumpkin sprinkles to your list. So if you give this pumpkin flavoring a try this fall, let us know how it works out. Tag us in your baking photos on social media because we love seeing what you make. You can shop this pumpkin spice emulsion on our website at confectionaryhouse.com, or you can visit us in our store located in Troy, New York.